Y'all, I don't think my roommate knows that I'm doing this thing. So let's go tell her. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you know that I'm vlogging this month?
Why?
So is that a no? You didn't know that I was doing this thing? Yeah, you're my friend on Facebook? Okay, I just have 3 questions for you. Actually, you've already answered the first one.
Please start this over. I beg you.
Second question, because the first one was, did you know I was doing this? Second, how do you know me?
Well, we were sweet mates, and now we're roommates.
And then 3, do you know what Brooke Shields is doing right now? I'm honestly just like curious because I haven't heard from her in forever. Brooke Shields? Okay, never mind. Thanks, Kay! If you ever hear me talking in my room, it's because I'm doing this. I'm out.